Welcome to the Big Challenge. This tutorial explains how to edit class activity licenses. Log into your teacher account. Click on the Registration tab to access the registration dashboard. This page shows a summary of your contest registration and class activities. You must have the necessary rights to edit the registration. If you don't, please ask your school's coordinator for assistance. Click on Edit Registration to go to the editing page. This page has two sections, one for contest registration and another for class activities. Click on Edit button next to class activities. You'll see the current status of your licenses, including how many licenses you've purchased and how many are currently being used. To add more licenses, select the number you'd like to add. The additional cost will update automatically. Click Validate to save these changes. You can then assign these licenses to your students. For detailed steps, please watch our Managing Class Activity Licenses tutorial. The link is available in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.